It's Yana and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll show you how to edit photos for makeup Instagram or just how to edit photos in Photoshop. I will show you how to go from that to kind of that. I have an Instagram account. It's Yana. You can follow up in the link below. On Instagram we need to post regularly and I have pretty busy schedule and 2 kids, so I just found a way how to do it faster and I hope it will work for you as well. I will show you today how to edit an example with my makeup look that I made for thankunext song. I do photos on my iPhone X with different line and soft boxes. I do plenty of photos and I look in different directions and then I will crop them in my phone in proportion 4:5. Then I will just go over, I will drop them to my laptop. I will see which one do I like the most and which one will be easier to edit. As you see, like here I need to switch it. Here you go, now we can read it. I will open them all in preview and then on Instagram you can post max 10 photos, so I will delete as much as I need to make it 10. I have 21, I need to delete 11 photos. So I will just find the ones that look similar. Okay, so I have 9 in total, that's great. I will open all of them in Photoshop. And to make process quicker, I created an action. And actions you can find in window and actions. It will open it for you. Here's my action. So whenever like I click it on it and then I press play, it does what I want. And what I basically recorded it to do is to create a copy of my original image, my copyright, and empty layer. You will see forwarded that, and if you would like me to explain actions and how to make it, comment down below and I will make a separate video on that. So basically right now what we will do, we will run action on all of them. Process will be pretty fast. I will show you how to do it on one and you can do on all of them. So first of all, what I will do, I will place my copyright somewhere so it won't be distracted for me. So like I know here. Okay, and now I will fix colors. I will go to image and I will go to adjustments. I will go to brightness and contrast. See how it will go. And then I will go on levels. This will go with your dark points. This is with midtones. And this is with lights. So now I will go with lighting tool. It's on this panel, touch tool. I will make it a little bit less. And then I will just like whiten some of my teeth so they can pop more. Here we go. Then I will whiten my eyeballs, white parts of my eye. Sorry, I'm not native English speaker, so sorry for some inconvenience it may be. A little bit more with my teeth. Here you go. A little bit more on the lips because I want text to pop in this area. Now after that I will go with darkening tool and I will go with that over my eyelash line, smaller, to cover any discoloration or spots between lashes and false lashes, for example, in this situation. And then I will go and take sharpening tool. I will go on a layer with the background, copy a background, and I will go over eyelashes. Eyes specifically, I like it to be sharp, and because I have lights, I really like this effect with ring light or soft boxes or any source of light that reflects in your eyes. And then I will go over teeth as well, that will make them a little bit more separate. And then I will go over my lips where I have text that I want to be more sharp here. And also I will go over rhinestones. I want them to be more pronounced and more visible. We're talking about Instagram, so it should be popping out on a very small picture. Then I also might go over my hair, some spots where I want it to be less smooth. If you don't like something, you can always go back with your history, and here's there you can find in a window history here. So after I've done all of that, I will go and fix my skin. And what I will do, I will take a brush and I will pick the color from my skin. I will take the lightest in a spot. For example, if I want to cover this spot, I will pick the light over here, the lightest, and then I will take brush, I will adjust size, and I will paint it kind of in between, trying not to get to the blush or to my lips. You will understand why in a minute. Then I will take color here and I will go over my bridge of my nose. There we go. Then I will take color over there and fix it a little bit on this side. Just little spots, we don't need everything. Maybe here a little bit warmer tone. It's too yellow in my opinion. And maybe here. If you have some blemish or something that like easy to cover, for example here, you have something with volume, you just go back on your layer with background, you take this tool, circle and cover up. That's it. Or like here, circle and take it on the area with the clear skin so it will reflect it there. You can see pretty easy, nothing major. And now what we will do with all this coloring, let's go also on the neck. Here I have some glue and we need to do it on a layer, empty layer here. Okay, here's this color. I will go over here, maybe with a little bit darker color. And now we will do the magic. Now we'll go to the filters, we will use blur and Gaussian blur, and then you will click preview available, so you will see how it will look. We will blur our layer with our new skin, and we will blur it to the point when you cannot see that harsh lines anywhere. Something like that. Yes. Now what we will do, because it blurred probably, you can see if you will go to layers and you will go to how it will overlay with each other, if you will do hard light or if you will do, let's do something like hue or light. You can see that it went over lips when it get blurred and over eyes on the area where it's not supposed to be. So what we will do, we'll take eraser over here and we will go on a layer with fake skin and we will erase everything from the lips and eyes and places where we don't want it. On the lips I will erase with 100% opacity because I want lips to be sharp. On the eyes I will do the same and I erase it with round brush with diffuse circle so I won't have harsh lines. Here we go. And also it's also some places where I won't erase but not as much. So I will take opacity like 18%, very low. For example, in my nostrils or edge of my nose. I want to erase but I want it lightly. And I also think like color here need to be a little bit more pronounced, so I will just go over just a little bit. Boom, done. Now I would like to deal with my lips and I would like a little bit more saturation over there. So I will go to this spot where we have whiter and darker stuff, like lighter and darker, and I will take sponge tool and I will go in mode saturate with flow 30%. And I probably will do it a little bit less. And then I will go over my lips. As you see, color popping up. But I don't like here, I have a little bit of cracks in my lips. So I will take it with this tool and fix. Now with my copyright, I will turn it a little bit. I will press Command T or Control T and I will place it somewhere like here. I like copyright to be there, but to not be annoying because I don't like when copyright just like takes the whole picture. So if someone will want to see who am I, they will just they will just zoom in and see my copyright. If someone doesn't, they don't, so not a big deal. Here I also see one of my lashes, so I want to take care of this too, and I will do it in different way. I will go to the smudge tool and I will go with almost full strength. I will take a little bit more size of the brush and I will just move it. Perfect. Now I will change color of my eyes, and for that I will create new layer pressing Command Shift N, and then I will pick some like bright color. Let's do probably pink. Let's do bright pink. That would be fun. And then I will take the brush, probably press it once, and here. Then I will take eraser, and I will take eraser with harsh ends, and I will erase it. Oh, opacity 100%. I will erase it from here and erase it from here. Also there, and here. And now we'll change it to eraser with more like smooth lines and just go over it. Then with the same eraser with smooth lines, I will go in the middle of my eye to make, I don't know how you call this part. So that's what I have, pretty scary to start with, but you go to this layer, how layers will be covering each other, and you just like play with options. And you will see that it will be blending together in different way. That looks cute, kind of. So you will just pick the ones that you would like the most. Also, you can change opacity, and then you will have just like lighter or darker. I think I like this one with blues more. Also, I will try to maybe I will try to blur here a little bit. The skin, I think skin popping too much over here. And also I will go over with the sharp tool over my eyebrows to make eyebrows more pronounced. And I will go with the blur tool over my forehead, because here it's got too sharp. So maybe I will go also with the blur tool over some spots on my skin that I would like it to be smoother. But be careful with the blur, because if you use it too much, it does not look natural. I want some skin peeking through, but not too much. If it makes sense. Here I will use again my healing tool, because I have here a piece of the skin that glued together. And then when I have it all together, I will create a group pressing Command G. I will put all layers that I have, and then I will duplicate the group. Here we go, and now I will merge the groups that I duplicated. And what it will do, it will just give me just one picture. It will give me better options to blend, because I want to make eyes even sharper. And then that's it. And now I will go to File, I will go to Export, I will go Save for Web, and then I will pick JPEG format, and I will pick the maximum level of quality. And that's it. And I will save it to my stuff. After that, I will airdrop it to my iPhone and post it on Instagram. I hope this lesson was not too long. I hope you enjoyed. If you want me to show you how to transfer letters like I did it here, oh, I can actually show you. I can show you how I did really quickly these letters. So what I did, I went to the YouTube and I screenshotted Ariana Grande's song, and then I took the screenshots, I transferred them in Photoshop, and I cut them in one line. So then I just erase edges, and as you can see here, I just put them, cut each word and like place them on the petals, and then I put multiply mode. And if I would put it in normal, you will see that it's very bright because I went to the adjustment, brightness, contrast, make it ridiculously contrasty and bright, and then go over here and pick the mode that will work the best with these settings. For example, here with the other one, if we will go and do normal, you see that it's like also very bright, well, very wide and contrasty, because when I will do multiply, it will merge in one without leaving edges. And I can show you, for example, here how it would look if I would not make it too bright. Just like try to cover these petals, and then I will go to multiply, and you see that it's way too dark. But if I will go to adjustment, brightness and contrast, and I will do it way brighter and way much contrasty as here, and then I can go to adjustments and levels and make middle tones to pop more, I can achieve better results with that. And as always, makeup is art, Photoshop is art, editing is art, art is art, so you know, like play, just have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and just say hi in the comments. I would really appreciate it. Thank you, love you so very much. See you soon, bye.